Hey, my name is Trey Bottom. I'm 25 years old. I live in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and I have a strange addiction to licking doorknobs. There are millions of doorknobs out there. They're all waiting to be licked by me. I literally crave it every day. There's not a day that goes by where I can't lick one. Come on, man, just try it. Just lick it. I promise it's really good. Come on.
No.
Just lick it. Can you do it for me, man?
Hi, my name is Chad, and I have a best friend that's addicted to licking doorknobs, and I don't understand.
I'm your friend. Just
No.
please.
I'm pretty sure it's not healthy. A lot of people be touching doorknobs, and it has a lot of bacteria in it.
Chad is one of my best friends. He thinks I'm weird for licking the doorknobs, but he's my friend, so he should still like me, right?
Trey actually wakes up in the middle of the night just to lick a doorknob. Then when I wake up, he goes back to sleep. Like nothing just happened. Sometimes when I come over, I notice him lick the doorknob right after I walk in. I see it, but I just don't say anything about it to him.
You know, I think friendship is a powerful thing, I guess, because, you know, he'll just lick it just to get me to stop licking it. Nice, good. It's good, isn't it? Is that bad that I make him lick it? Oh God, I'm making him lick it. I'm such a bad friend.
It's nasty, it's disgusting, but he's my friend, so I had to lick it too.
When I first started, it was basically an accident because I was fixing the door and my brother hit me and I accidentally leaned to the door and my mouth and tongue touched the doorknob. Before I licked the doorknob, it was the best thing ever. When I'm at work, of course I do the same exact thing. I work, there's a bunch of doorknobs, so it's the perfect place for my addiction.
Yeah, my employee Trey. Yeah, he's a rock star. He's a rock star. But for some reason, he has a strange addiction. It's like licking doorknobs or something. On an average day, he'd be licking doorknobs 4 to 6 times a day. On some days, stress levels are high, doorknobs are wet.
Not everybody knows about my addiction, because I'm pretty sure if they did know, they'd be disappointed, just like my uncle. I'm very shocked, you know. It's not real at all. It's really not real at all. Like, who licks doorknobs? Like, come on. My mama was saying that I mean, my dick can go away, but I'm afraid my neck. I guess it's around. Nice. We're filming, get out. Matt, come out. Are you ready? Is it recording?
Yeah,
How long has it been recording?
just now.
Okay, 3, just 50 seconds. Action. Dude, stop, you're distracting us.
I'm not gonna do it. I'm putting on socks.
Yeah, hell, slowly. Just get it over with. Oh yeah.
Hold on.
Dude, I blanked out for a second. I was like,